Hello and welcome to another episode of Smart Travel, where we provide you with the latest travel tips and hacks to make your journey safe and enjoyable. Today, we'll be discussing taxi safety. Taxis are a convenient mode of transportation, but it is crucial to take certain precautions to ensure your safety. When it comes to booking a taxi, there are a few options you can consider. One of the most safest but also generally more expensive option is to book directly from your hotel. Either when you need a pickup or drop off to the airport, or just going from a hotel to some destination. By booking through the hotel, you can rely on the hotel trusted network of drivers to ensure a safer experience. Another option is to use ride-hailing apps like Uber, Bolt, Grab, or any other depending on the country you're in. These apps provide an added layer of safety and convenience. With these apps, you can easily request a ride, track the driver locations, see the trip cost so there is no surprises, and even share your trip details with friends or family for extra security. Now, when it comes to hailing a taxi on the street, it's important to clarify a few points with the driver before getting on your way. Firstly, it's important to clarify if the driver can take you to your destination and familiar with the area or have access to reliable navigation tools. Secondly, check if the driver has a meter and ensure that the driver has switched it on. Alternatively, if the meter aren't available or commonly used in the country, negotiate and agree on the fare before departing. Lastly, if you plan to pay by credit card, inquire if the taxi accepts card payment. It's always helpful to have multiple payment options for your convenience, and generally cash is the best option for taxis. Once you are inside the taxi, there are a few additional precautions you can take to enhance your safety. First and foremost, sit in the back seat of the taxi. This provides you with more personal space and reduces the chances of any unwanted contact with the driver. Secondly, track your journey on a map using navigation app or GPS. This way you can ensure that the driver is taking you the correct route and going in the right direction. By keeping an eye on the route, you'll have better control over your journey. You can alert someone in case of any deviation. And lastly, and this is very important, never share the taxi ride with anyone who you don't know.
You know, cabs here are so damn expensive. Want to share?
Sure, why not?
Great.
By following these guidelines, you can have more secure and enjoyable taxi experience during your travels. So that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice. Safe travel, everyone.